Nicole checking in here at the first stop. Got the clue. We out. Me and Issa are running. We made it.
Can you please watch out for the police? Because I'm gonna speed.
Okay, after a little bit of technical difficulties.
Or maybe someone is still our white.
But if they did, then they're disqualified. So.
Okay.
What kind of music do you guys want?
There it is. We're on clue number 2, guys. We just went to Mango's. The views are outstanding in this grand unit. You will be able to enjoy and stay for a week if you are inclined. Find your clue to move forward. We are headed to Grandview. Where are we going, ladies?
Grandview.
We got Eric, aka Dale Earnhardt, steering today. Whoop whoop. Catch you later.
Oh my.
Yes, Jim, let's go!
I have a big car, okay? People, don't worry.
I'm scared for my life.
Shut up, Kyle.
You should put your seatbelt on.
Yeah,
It's on.
Well, we did steal theirs, but we put it back.
Mary
said we're
fine because we took it back.
And the envelopes are ripped open. We are on the second clue, going to Margarita Club.
Do we know what dock is?
I'm going down there.
Eric, you don't have to stop at the stop signs that have a white ring around them. Just for today.
All right, call your county police. You heard it right there.
We should have gotten police lights to put on the car.
A little red one on the hood.
Be right here. Yeah, right forward. We'll get it. Why do we hold up?
I don't know.
So we have Wexford and then we have Tiffany's, but we can't get into Tiffany's and Coquina, so it has to be the Wexford place. You're gonna have to run.
Grandview, I know Grandview.
Okay.
I think I can.
If
He's going around somebody.
She just
Who's he
blew
going
around.
No way.
Yeah.
See, do it!
That's Eric.
He went because he was turning. He was turning. Eric's a madman.
Oh,
What are you
Grandview.
doing, bro?
We're
You're
going to
taking
Grandview.
forever, dude. I'm going.
Yeah, man.
That's gonna suck if all the clues are leading to the same place.
What place?
Place is in uppercase, guys. Both words are.
We have a
yeah, so place.
listing that's.
Right. Place has something to do here. That
You
word
think it's-
place.
I know.
Park
we have
Place. Okay, so we have one in Plantation. We have one in Chalet. Oh, Chalet's up there. We have.
What begins with place?
Yeah, we have one in Margarita Club. Let me just think of the stuff. We're so close to both things. Should we
No,
go?
we're not. We're far, and then we're gonna have to come all the way back.
It has anything to do with
Neither do I. I don't know why
Alright.
it would.
Baltic has
Okay.
to do with place.
Okay.
Yeah.
You might as well stay on South Collier while we figure this out.
Hey, is Dawn available, please?
Ask if she's expecting us.
Is she? Can I talk to her really quick? Thank you. Hey, Dawn, it's Tiffany. How are you? Hey, good. Did Mary leave colored envelopes there for us for our scavenger hunt? Okay, thank you. I'll see you in a minute.
Yes.
All right, bye.
Whoa, dude.
Woo-hoo.
Lower guy.
Got it?
Yep, you go. You go. All right, so where could this be?
Oh, I went through the other side too. Mike, are you sure you want to go? You want me to run? I could like.
Come on, ladies, let's go.
Headed to Elite, baby.
To where?
Read it again.
Treated here, head to toe.
Treated here, head to toe.
So,
Head to
so
toe.
that could
It's
be
a spa. Marriott
Give
Spa.
yourself time to dry before you
Yeah.
get to
Head
that.
to
So,
toe,
like,
or is that
I
the mani pedis where you do by the
Yeah.
brewery?
Exactly.
But head to toe is
Head to toe.
Head to toes, facials, everything.
Head to toe could be mani pennies and
Head to
Let's
toe,
go to
big
Elite
facials.
because we know them
Where's that at?
personally.
We're headed to our next clue. Quick update
Asa
with
got it.
Gary. Gary, what's your update? Thumbs up from the man.
ball. She can only drive.
We are the #1
Right
team
here. Next one.
in our hearts.
Right here.
Okay.
We win and we never give up. That's the
that
best way to do it.
Okay. I'm sorry, people. I can't. There's a top right there.
No, you stopped. He's not coming.
Go faster so we
Listen,
can't catch up.
if they pull us over, you're gonna cry. Oh my gosh, it hurts so bad, and we don't have time to stop and go to the hospital. I just kept. You better do it.
Poor Lisa trying to run on a broken toe.
Oh yeah, I didn't think about that. Margaritas.
We'll take you to a landing.
Margarita Club.
Yeah, it's Margarita
Yep.
Club. Go.
What's the address?
Left or right?
Left.
Come on, dude. You better turn out in front of Jen.
Go, 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 go.
Go,
Go, go, go. Oh, that's
Letting
right.
it turn.
Okay. Go, Tiff. Got this. Go, girl. Go.
Ain't got nothing on me, Issa. Come on.
How did Cole get out so fast? I don't get it.
Where am I going? You're right.
That was my ass.
Story?
Make a rate. You can't always rent these by week, but you'll be safe and sound when you sleep. Before you enter, you will be given permission by the gatekeeper. Make sure he gets his special treat.
You guys, we got this dialed
I
down.
freaking hope so, because I definitely have a giant bruise on my left butt cheek.
You drilled that pretty hard.
No.
Turn here.
To the left.
Here, give him this.
Aquí, amigo, rápido. Look. Do you have something for me?
No, we're white. We're white. White.
Have a good one. Happy holidays.
Go forward. Around.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, and
Hello. I have a question for you. Looking for a blue envelope? Do you have a blue envelope?
Yes.
yes.
Correct.
Yes. I love you.
We have
Thank
that
you.
in exchange. Thank you. Nice.
Yep.
There you go. There you go.
No, keep going. Damn, I would not do this.
Why?
She's awesome.
You're worried about your car? I have
I'm
a
worried
big-ass
about
car.
my backing up skills.
Go.
All right,
You're going?
Go.
Okay.
who's going?
Yo,
Just
get it.
check and see if it means anything. You have to take
Take
a picture.
a selfie if it is.
Even
Wait,
park. Yeah,
I'm
I
not.
was
I'm
just
gonna
waiting.
back up. I'm gonna back up to go get him. I'm just gonna reverse the whole thing. Up and down. We're going up and down in reverse, guys.
There's crazy pregnant ladies driving backwards up and down the.
Once they see that I'm pregnant, they'll let me be.
So we're gonna take a left on Huron, and it's gonna be
Yeah,
one of these
turn
side
left.
streets, and I'm pretty sure it's the first one, if not the second one.
Today.
Dude, what is this guy doing?
Honk! This guy.
Over here.
Right here is fine.
Right here, so.
Right here.
All right, let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Syrup is where you'll find. What is syrup?
Syrup.
The first
Sandcastle selfie build. So it has to be on the beach area.
Playlist.
Playlist.
Sandcastle selfies.
Yeah. See if that's the August.
Where do we have the HGTV reveals?
It's at the 1781
Oh,
Barbados.
Oh my.
Turn again.
It's right here.
People don't speak English. How are we gonna talk to them?
Okay,
got it.
let's go.
Take a selfie.
There's another one?
No, don't show.
No.
me.
We're hoping this is it.
Let me see.
Watch your booty.
I do every time.
Hope
This
so.
place is known for its glow at sunset. You can enjoy a signature drink named for its glow. Yeah, mango martini.
So
Go
we're
back
done?
to the office.
He says they have flashes